Why we can't stop thinking about someone. A story. In a small, quiet town, there lived a young woman named Lily. Lily was like many others, busy with her work, enjoying time with friends, and occasionally dreaming about the future. But one day something changed. She couldn't stop thinking about someone, and it puzzled her. It was as if her mind had been taken over. The person on her mind was Alex, a charming and kind friend she had known for a while. At first, Lily thought it was just a passing crush, but the more she tried to distract herself, the more Alex filled her thoughts. This went on for weeks, and Lily couldn't understand why. One evening, Lily sat by the window of her cozy room, watching the rain fall outside. Why can't I stop thinking about Alex? She wondered. To make sense of her feelings, she started writing in her journal. Here's what she came up with. 1. Maybe I'm infatuated with them. Lily remembered how Alex's smile made her heart skip a beat. Every time they talked, she imagined what it would be like to spend more time together. Maybe I'm just infatuated, Lily wrote. It's easy to imagine someone as perfect when you don't know all their flaws. She smiled to herself, realizing how often she had created little daydreams about Alex. But she also knew that infatuation was based on surface-level feelings. She wondered, would I still think about Alex this much if I really got to know them? 2. Maybe I'm in love. Lily's pen paused. Was it love? Love was such a big word, and it scared her a little. She thought about how Alex made her feel, happy, safe, and understood. Maybe I'm falling in love, she whispered. She wrote about how love made people think about someone all the time, wanting to know how they were, what they were doing, and if they felt the same way. She remembered the way her parents, married for 30 years, described love. It's not just about butterflies, her mother had said. It's about wanting to build something together. Lily wasn't sure if she was there yet, but the thought made her heart warm. 3. Maybe I just missed them. There was another possibility. Lily and Alex hadn't talked much recently. Maybe she just missed their conversations and laughter. She wrote, missing someone can make you think about them more. It's like your mind is reminding you of the good times. She decided that if she missed Alex, she could simply reach out. But a little voice inside her asked, what if they don't miss me back? 4. Maybe I'm comparing myself to them. Lily also realized she sometimes compared herself to Alex. Alex seemed to have it all, a successful career, great friends, and a confident personality. Do I think about Alex because I admire them? She asked herself. She reminded herself that everyone has struggles, even if they don't show them. I need to focus on my own life and not let comparison steal my joy, she wrote firmly. 5. Maybe I'm still processing something. Lily thought about past relationships. She had recently ended a long-term relationship, and it had left her with unanswered questions. Was she thinking about Alex because she was trying to fill that empty space? Breakups take time to heal, she realized. Maybe I just need to be patient with myself, she wrote. 6. Maybe I'm worrying about them. There was also a chance she was thinking about Alex because she cared. Alex had been going through a tough time lately, and Lily found herself wondering if they were okay. Sometimes we think about people because we care about them deeply, she wrote. She decided that instead of just worrying, she would reach out to Alex and let them know she was there for them. 7. Maybe it's a sign. Finally, Lily thought about her faith. She believed that sometimes thoughts of someone might be a nudge to take action, whether to pray for them or check on them. Maybe God is putting Alex on my heart for a reason, she wrote. Lily closed her journal and felt a little lighter. She realized that thinking about someone wasn't a bad thing. It was a sign of how much she cared. Whether it was love, worry, or even admiration, it came from a place of kindness. The next day, Lily decided to stop overthinking. She sent Alex a simple message. Hey, I've been thinking about you. How are you? To her surprise, Alex replied quickly, I've been thinking about you too. Let's meet up soon. As Lily smiled at her phone, she realized something important. Sometimes when you can't stop thinking about someone, it's okay to reach out. You never know. It might be the start of something wonderful.